So, we're gonna tear all the suspension out of the car today, clean up the frame, get it painted, start putting the new stuff in. So I'm taking some MPPL, spraying off all the bolts, even though this car is in really, really nice shape. And I don't think we're gonna have a problem with getting bolts off, but just to make sure, it don't take but a minute to spray this stuff down and let it soak. And that way, when we pull all this stuff out, we don't have to fight bolts. This car's stupid clean. Show them how clean it is under here. I mean, it's just, there's no grease or grime or any of that under here. So it's gonna be a really clean car, really easy project to clean up. So what we'll do is we'll tear everything out today. We'll get it all wire brushed. We'll knock all the loose stuff off of it. Somebody had put some old ladder bar brackets on it that welded up, which ironically, John just pulled a set of these off of a Chevelle or something that he's doing. He asked me if I wanted them. I said, I don't think so. They're kind of big and bulky. What do you think?
Love it.
I got to narrow the rear end.
Of course you do.
Hey, by the way, when Sheldon, when you see this, the rear end that I needed for this car to make these wheels fit, I gave to you. There's Mr. Chris.
Thought you said budget.
It is a budget.
Oh, okay.
Hey, these wheels from Holly, unbelievably fucking cheap. TX19s,
They look good.
they're rocket wheels.
I like them.
Yeah, the fact that I take the rear end down there.
That's what we go with.
I think they'll fit the car really, really well. Hey, that's fucking 11.
You could have went 12.
I went with that 275 40. It's 27.6 inches tall because I want to set the car down around them and I don't want to have no tire rubbing issues. Besides, well, that motherfucker right there ain't all it's gonna do is fucking fry them anyway. But it will do cool burnouts, as Brantley would say. And there's a lot to be said for a cool burnout.
Aaron's gonna love it then too.
Huh?
Aaron
Oh yeah.
is right up his mullet alley.
Yes, sir. Oh, I have a question for you though. Getting all this, do you want to pull these fenders to jam them?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Okay.
You get a lot cleaner product in the end.
And
And I don't have to waste near as much tape and paper.
Do we want to drill these? That's the only reason I don't lift the body up off of this car is I don't want to lose all. I don't want the fucking door. I don't want to lose the how well this car fits together.
Well, I'll tell you a little body man secret. We'll take a little 1/8" drill bit,
That's what I was talking about.
And
Do you
we'll-
want to drill them?
pre-drill holes. That way everything goes right back exactly where it was.
That's why I asked if you want to drill them.
That's a good idea.
So, I don't know. I mean, we got the 2-post lifts. Think I ought to lift the body off of it?
How deep the rabbit hole you want to go?
You see how clean the car is underneath, though? Here's the thing. I just don't know. I mean, we're going to pull the rear end because I got to narrow it anyway and put all the CPP stuff. But it's pretty fucking clean.
If you want my opinion and you want to stay budget-minded, do frame-on restoration style.
Yeah.
Because it's super clean under there. The only thing we need to clean up is that passenger side floor patch.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you look underneath the car? I don't even know why that's in there.
I don't know.
It's not even rusty.
I don't know.
But somebody put a fucking patch over it for some reason. I just want to take that back out. Did they weld it? Oh, it's welded, huh? Doesn't make any sense because the car's not even rusty. And hey, that's not even a rust hole.
Oh, no problem.
Uh-huh. Look how clean it is.
Yeah, I knew this one was the one we wanted when I went to look at it. That's solid.
So I don't see if there's a benefit in lifting the body.
See, they could have, I mean,
That-
there's no need to put that giant patch in there because it's just small pinhole stuff. And that's the only spot on
Oh,
the
they did fucking well. Wow.
That's,
That kind of sucks.
we got a welder on staff though now. Maybe we'll make him cut it out.
kind of stupid that they put that patch panel in there and the floor's not even for that little bitty fucking hole right there.
Yeah.
But you got the dry shed. The only reason would be, and all the body bushings are in great shape. But the only reason would be that not to get undercoating on the frame. But
It still has a factory undercoating on it. I mean,
Yeah.
You can see it. I'd wire wheel the frame, paint it up nice.
I was just gonna dust it with the undercoating. But I mean, all this shit's going tubular anyway.
I'd work too.
So
The way it fits, I wouldn't pull the body. I mean, even
that's what I'm worried about. Pull this fucking thing off, and
We'll
then
pull
all of
the
a sudden,
fenders.
the doors. Them doors shutting like they do.
I don't even know that I want to pull those.
Oh, I don't want to pull the doors. I don't even want to drill to pull the doors. I may go tomorrow to and have Chris mix the paint up, because hey, stay. I got all my parts. The biggest part of it came today. So
And Holly sent you 2 little minions.
yeah, I don't know about all that.
They call them helpers, but it's
Yeah,
yet to be determined.
Use that term very loosely. So, I just think it's that we could do the core support separate, but the vintage air, they're sending me the block off plate for that. So, I'm gonna finish knocking the rear end out of this fucking thing. I'm gonna narrow this rear end an inch. And I think that's about it. When's my tires gonna be here?
You should have all of them by Monday.
I would see where I'd be going down rabbit holes if I decided to dual fuel it,
Let's
put a
not.
pro charger on it.
Let's not do that.
Man, could you two motherfuckers quit rolling your eyes? What's that floor pan look like, Stacy? You rolled them eyes all the way up to it.
Because you tell us budget minded, don't let me go down the rabbit hole, and then James sits there and then he thinks about stuff.
Oh
And
yeah.
that's what he does. He thinks and then
Uh-huh.
says, make that happen, make that happen.
Oh, I checked his parts in, wrote on every piece what it goes to, and then gorilla taped the boxes back together.
So everything's still in there?
Yes, sir.
That's a good idea.
So that it's all intact.
Now take his pocket knife away.
Yes. And install maybe those security
Yeah.
guards like Walmart
I'll
has.
I'll just take it all down to the shop.
See what I mean?
I'll
We're
bring
gonna
you
put
I'm
those-
fixing to be putting this shit in.
I'll
We're
bring
gonna-
you piece by piece.
We're gonna
Just let
put
me
those
know
on
what
the
you need.
trailer.
Everything to go to this car's here. The sniper gas, fuel tank. That's all the stuff that goes on this car. All right. Wrap this video. I'm gonna pull this rear end out. Okay.